KICKASSETS. Cha-ching!
Rough day at the office. Don't think you should be putting your feet up there. Oh well. It is what it is. Sleep style number 2. Oh well. Interesting, isn't it? Eventually, you change your sleep styles and you give step by step, eventually to the floor. What's next? He's gonna take his clothes off? Great. Okay, I guess he just feels really comfortable there. This is the first time I've ever seen somebody do this on the bullet train. Anybody else doing that? Nope. Oh man. Ohayou gozaimasu. She goes. She couldn't get by without him waking up.
Walking in the front entrance. Beautiful sliding glass doors. This is the front. Ceiling looks good in the front entrance. Lovely light shades. Alright, going through to the second room. Alright, Glenn, whilst I'm videoing, I can't look at the quality.
Yeah, no, I am pleased with the damages.
Okay, there's water damage in here,
Window, there.
where the window is. It looks like it goes out onto a garden.
Yeah, little mini one, yes.
Low ceilings.
It's an old storage, so if they use it as
It's an old storeroom without a door.
Yeah.
That's been converted into another room. Or still been used as storage. And there's something upstairs there, which it says don't climb, so I'm guessing that roof's not stable. There's a small garden with rocks. The roof and balcony from the second floor. Going down into a very large kitchen that definitely needs remodeling. Laundry. It'll take a lot of work, this one. There's damp on the walls over there. Here's the bathrooms. Toilet. Because apparently you've got to have a look at all the toilets. There's a railing along here. Inconvenient light switch. All the fake parquetry floor. Looks like vinyl stickers. Climbing steep stairs. The green room. Interesting roof line. no time do I feel like I'm going to fall through the floor, but it's certainly not in good shape. Weird little space here.
That's all the add-on. That if you walk it, it's all the shit bit.
So basically, if all of that came down, and this is back in the original part, so there's an additional part of the building.
The storehouse is.
So basically, it looks like a whole lot of illegal tack-ons. Then we're back in the main house, which actually is quite gorgeous. Someone's just come in downstairs, Glenn.
Hmm?
Someone's just closed the front door.
Hello?
Have they come in or have they
I don't
closed?
know. Just
Steep stairs. I've left my bag downstairs.
oh no, it's still open. Just maybe someone.
Stairs need a banister. Otherwise, Glenn and I would kill ourselves.
Yeah, there's no kitchen, no bathroom.
Yes, there is.
Is it? I didn't see the kitchen.
Yeah, at the back.
So I'm looking at all the. See that's the pig.
Kitchen's through there.
Oh, I didn't go. I went that way.
Got some news for you today.
Okay, what news?
Both your houses have been accepted on their offers.
That's great.
Okay? And here's the good news of that. Both contract days are going to be on the 17th. The first property is going to be morning at 11 a.m. and the second property is going to be in the afternoon at 2 o'clock. So we're going to sign for 2 properties on the same day.
Okay.
How does that make you feel?
Great. And in the same time, it will be about 6 hours of paperwork.
Yes. Are you shocked?
I'm shocked that we fit it into one day.
Yeah. You're buying 2 houses in one day. That's a record that's never going to be broken.
Pretty much. Probably.
Yes.
Maybe some wicco will come and try to buy 3 one day.
just to break the record, just to piss you off. Somebody has a lot of money. You never know. But that's hilarious that we were able to pull it off, organize it, get the prices we wanted, and get it all done on the same day. With the same lawyer, too. That's the funny thing.
Okay.
It sounds like this stuff is made up, right? You should be dancing for joy doing jumping jacks right now.
You can't expect anything more from me today.
This guy's boring. He's fired. I'm just kidding.
No.
That's awesome,
I
though.
don't. I can walk on my leg, and you expect me to dance.
Okay.
Especially that I can dance like hula dancers only,
Okay.
and that would destroy your
Yeah.
channel probably.
Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to let you know because I got the message today while I was up in Toyama.
That's great.
Yeah. He's like, "Yeah, you're good to go." I'm like, "Sweet. Whoa! High five, buddy." All right. All right. More on this later, boys.